Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm hoping to bring all the motivation today. I'm going to be folding laundry, picking up the living room, the kitchen, and the master bedroom, all while tending to my new baby. It can be so tough keeping a clean house with kiddos around, but hopefully this can inspire you to do what you can, when you can, baby willing. I also want to take a second to offer a word of encouragement to new moms. You've got this. It feels so overwhelming at first, and you often feel like you have to choose between your house and your baby. Always choose your baby. The house will always be there, and so will the chores. I have learned that now, instead of doing all my cleaning in one day, I have to break up my chores sparingly throughout the week, and even then, they don't always get done, and that's okay. So give yourself grace. Make a to-do list, mark it on a calendar, but never feel like it's this hard and fast rule that everything has to be perfect all the time. Your babies won't remember your clean house, they'll remember your cuddles. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel. If you like this content and you want to see more, feel free to subscribe. And please, if you enjoy this video, hit the like, leave a comment.